A fresh wave of political realignments is taking shape in Kenya, with key opposition figures and former allies of President William Ruto holding high-profile meetings. Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka impeached former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, and DAP-K leader Eugene Wamalwa have once again met, fueling speculation about a new political coalition ahead of the 2027 elections. Their meeting comes just days after Raila Odinga's failed bid for the African Union Commission AUC chairmanship, a contest that saw President Ruto actively campaigning for his longtime rival. With Raila's political future now uncertain, the opposition seems to be regrouping, and this latest gathering is seen as a potential strategy session for the next electoral cycle. Kalonzo took to social media to share details of their discussion, posting, "I enjoyed a cup of Kenyan tea with my friends, Second Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya Rigathi Gachagua, and DAP-K party leader Hon. Eugene Wamalwa in Nairobi earlier today." While the tone of his message was casual, the political weight of the meeting was undeniable. He added, "Together, we compared notes and shared our thoughts about the current political situation in the country, region, and continent." This statement, while vague, strongly suggests that the three leaders are exploring a broader political agenda. The timing of this meeting is significant. Gachagua is set to announce his new political party soon, which he has positioned as the main vehicle for his supporters in the Mount Kenya region. His growing rift with President Ruto has been evident, and with this latest move, he appears to be solidifying his position as an alternative political force in the region. Reports indicate that the trio's discussions centered on forming a coalition against Ruto ahead of the 2027 elections. The proposed alliance is expected to include other political heavyweights, such as NARC-K leader Martha Karua, who is in the process of forming a new party, and former Interior CS Fred Matiang'i, who is reportedly eyeing a leadership role within the Jubilee Party. If this coalition materializes, it could present a formidable challenge to Ruto's re-election bid. With Raila Odinga's next move still unclear, the opposition appears to be hedging its bets, preparing for multiple scenarios, including the possibility that Raila might choose to remain neutral or even work with Ruto. For now, the Kenyan political landscape remains fluid, with shifting alliances and emerging rivalries shaping the road to 2027. What is clear, however, is that the battle lines are being drawn and the next political contest is already underway.